Problem number 12 on page 417. This problem is actually related to number line. 5 different points A, B, C, D and E lie on a line in that order. The length AD is 4.5. Whenever number line is there and if the numbers are not too large, try to draw the number line with some scale so that you are not misled because of the diagram. It may not look the length because you did not draw to the scale. So keep a little bit sense of scale, and I'm thinking that this is 0 and this is my first point A. Now what is given? The segment, the length AD is 4.5. So I'm going to approximately put the point here using my inch scale. So this is 4.5 and the length BE is 3.5. Now E is not known and B is not known where to put them on this line. So we'll keep that sentence aside and see if we have something concrete that is given. The next sentence is the length CD is 2. If length CD is 2 and if my D is 4.5, then 4.5 minus 2 is 2.5. So that's where my C is going to be, and that's how we find the C. That's going to be somewhere here. So if I write this as C, this is going to be my 2.5, such that difference between this and this is CD, which is 2. Now we go back to the sentence that we kept hanging without any interpretation, and that was BE is 3.5. Now my B could be here, it could be here, and then E could be here or here. We don't know where it would be, but what we do know is that B is somewhere here and E is beyond D somewhere here. So what do we know about BE equal to 3.5? We certainly know that it is CD, which is 2, 4.5 minus 2.5, plus BC plus DE. This is an exact equation. That means it's not an inequality. So we can write, that means this implies that BC is equal to 3.5 minus 2 minus DE, which is equal to 1.5 minus DE. What this means is we can place B and E whichever way we want, such that BC is going to be 1.5 minus DE. Since DE is length, what maximum value can it take? DE can be maximum 1.5, otherwise it will become negative BC. The length cannot be negative, so we say that D will be less than 1.5. and what is minimum value that D can take? It will be greater than 0. If it is exactly 0, then the point E will lie on D, but that's not the case given, so it will be greater than 0. Now if this is what DE is, what will happen to BC? So when DE is 0, BC is going to be less than 1.5, and when DE is 1.5, BC is going to be less than 0, greater than 0. So BC must lie just like DE from 0 to 1.5. So one possible value for BC is 0, BC greater than 0, less than 1.5. Actually this condition could have been found simply by looking at this boxed quantity and saying that BC plus DE is equal to 1.5, and these two lengths cannot be greater than 1.5, and we can pick C and sorry, not C, B and E, whichever way we want. So if you put E very close to D, then D will be very small, that is like 0. In that case, BC will be greater than 0 and less than 1.5. So this is how the length is found quickly, analytically. So the answer is this. So you should write one possible value. If you have to look at the student produced response sheet and in what way they need the answer. If they need it in this form, then this is going to be your answer. If they ask what is the maximum value that it can take, then it will be little less than 1.5. So look at the sheet and enter your response accordingly.